Y'all, why do I look so dark when I come back here? This different. My body different. Okay, so I would say y'all was requesting this, but y'all was not. It was just one person. It was my friend who kept telling me to film the look from my recent video. I didn't really like it that much. That's why I didn't like film my video, but apparently she like loved it. So this is for you, Katara. Her name will be mentioned again later on this video. Just wait. And yeah, it is like 1:30, so if I'm like a bit quiet because people might start sleeping, so shh. Before we get into the video, don't forget to shop my business. I sell lashes, sunglasses, and lash cleaning needs. icegaloreofficial.net. Link is always in the description box. Also, before you get into this video, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. Not cocky, but go ahead and subscribe. Okay, let me stop. Get right into this video. I don't know what transition I'm gonna do, so I'm just doing this. Okay, so the only one thing I'm doing different is I use eye primer so the colors could show up more. Even though I didn't for the last video, I didn't notice it till I finished. So hopefully I hope to look better. All we're using for this video is the Jamie Charlie palette and some makeup brushes. Y'all, guess what? I found the little thingy with the names so I can actually tell y'all the shade names. Look at me being a YouTuber. For this whole look, we're just going to use this. Like, y'all, I honestly forgot what I used, but I'm pretty sure it's these three. This trio right here. The two matte shades called Escape and Single, and the shimmer shade or whatever it's called Artistry. Yeah. Now let's start. I always use a crease shade. I just randomly choose between these three. I don't know which one I used in the last video. I'm gonna use shade 10% off and put that in my crease. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is take this shade right here. I literally forgot the name. I'm gonna instant replay right now. Okay, so I'm gonna take the lighter purple shade and put this in my crease. Okay, after that, I take the darker purple shade and put it on my lid. focus it more on the outside because the inner corner is about to be covered with the glitter shade. Now I'm going in with the metallic shade, which I now remember is called Artistry. I'm putting it right here in the shape of a cut crease without actually doing a cut crease. Okay, that's the lid all complete. Now I'm about to do the under eye with the dark purple shade that I put on my lid. That kind of made me look like I got a black eye. I don't know how I feel about that yet. But next I'm gonna do brow bone brow bone highlight with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora highlighter palette. It's a mess, y'all. Okay, so don't say that I'm aware it's a mess, okay? No, I did not use Lyra. It fell out. So yeah, I'm gonna use shade Eclipse and use that as my highlight shade on my entire face, honestly. Oh wow, yeah, that's pretty. That's pretty. Yeah, now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. I actually like the inner corner highlight. Y'all, the Artistry from the palette like got on my face and I don't feel like getting a makeup wipe to get it off. I doubt y'all could see it anyways. So I'm gonna just do the rest of my face and get back with y'all. I'm not gonna really do the rest of my face. I'm gonna do everything and then come back with the lips, but I'm not gonna do my entire face like setting powder, this and that. I'm just gonna put some concealer over here, call it a day, okay? Because it's probably 2 a.m. by now. So, yeah. Get back with y'all when I get to lips. I almost forgot to mention, or before I do lashes, I'm using a lash style Feline. I don't know if you can read it, I don't know if it's backwards, but it's lash style Feline. When I do like looks like this. I don't like to wear big lashes because I know I did not just do all that work doing this look for it to be covered by lashes. So I'm using these shorter lashes. This Eyeshadow Feline. And like my cousin was like, I want to wear lashes, but like you need to wear them all in a video. Eventually I will, because for now just look at my social media and look at people's thingies to see how they look. But this is Eyeshadow Feline in case you wanted this. Mascara, I knew that. I was forgetting something. Mascara. Be right back. Okay, I am back. Lashes are on. Eyeshadow Feline. How is she looking? She's looking great to me, baby. She's looking superb. Great. You know she's about to get taken off in the next 30 minutes. It's okay. This is Eyeshadow Feline. And time for lips. I already lined my lips with the random lip liner that I got from Beauty Supply store. I will be using lip gloss from one of my very close friends. She started her own lip gloss line. I have my own lash line. I inspired her to start her own lip gloss line. It's called Kitty Couture. It'll be on the screen, her Instagram page. Her link is in her bio. Go check her out. She'll be coming out with more stuff, but she has a few glosses for now. So this is my first time using it, so I'm about to use this new lip gloss. It's very pigmented. It's called Tabby. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's called Tabby. So yeah, just watch me put it on, I guess. You see that? Period. Oh yeah, now that's a nude. Do you see that? Focus, camera. Focus. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so milky and chocolate. Oh yes, now that's a nude. It's a little different from what I had last week. I'm pretty sure it was like the rosy pink gloss. But it's still cute though. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm excited to take pictures for her. Lip gloss. Again, this is Tabby. Yeah. Okay, that's all for this video. Y'all read this. Hey, okay, I'm back. Rate this look in the comments. What do you guys think about this look? She loved this look so much, so I did the video for you, boo Katara. I did it for you. Yeah, rate this once again. Rate this look in the comment section down below. What's the videos ideas you guys want to see? Cause I'm not the one watching these videos. You guys are. So it really help if you gave me some suggestions in the comment section down below. Yeah, once again, I have my own business as well. I sell lashes, sunglasses, lash washing machines, and lash foaming cleanser. Yeah, and that is all for this video. If you made it this far, you clearly find me interesting, baby girl. So might as well subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you get notification every time yes, me, upload a new video. And subscribe, like, comment, share. Let's have conversation, comment section down below. It really helps me out a lot. Yeah, especially sharing this video. It really helps me out a lot. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Don't mind my forehead. I know it's not like blended, but like y'all came here for the eyes, so don't do that. That is all for this video. Please don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. That includes my Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, which are all Eyeshadow TV, and my Snapchat is IOY123D2. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. I'll definitely see you in the next one. ICB out. Peace. I love you guys. Okay, bye y'all, for real. Bye. Love you guys.